ukhupha umntana omnyama ngesente emdaka cabanga lena besingalindelanga naba besemsa le education besenza i-slavery system engasebenzeli. They're teaching their children to be better robots, lost identities, walk around with nasal twangs but nothing to say. A broken legacy of a people giving away too much in order to fit in. Nothing is giving in. Everything is still the same for the black nation. Only the slave master has changed complexion. Our leaders selling our waters. Natural resources no longer belong to the people. Amasela tate yonginto, amasela moshe yonginto, aksenanto. They act like black people can't lead themselves with the problems that they have sheep in place getting their orders from London. So yafana, sisaphetha madompas, nabagebestengisa. They want us to give them a round of applause for being black diamonds. First black everything, but they don't question the lack of melanin. White affiliation is equated to success. Nothing black is greatness. Our people want to be affirmed by whiteness. Nabage, bestengisa. Sahlangana sadibana ngelaxesha sathi kwanele. Inzala zikantu igazi laphalalo mama bakhalaza. Lakhala ilizwe lisithi mayibuye sadibana ezilokishini sadibana ezitratweni safumana umhlaba ubomvu ligazi lolutsha. There was no going forward, no going back, no surrender, no retreat. Diswat Khafar was just about to slap the other cheek. We were pissed off about Steve Biko, pissed off about Chris Hani. Suddenly we realized we were pissed off about Mangaliso Sobukwe. Sasikokelela singabantu abamnyama sidikiwe sathi kwanele basibizela uKhodesa apho baqhathela khona basinika le vote. Akanandaba uhulumende akanandaba akanandaba uhulumende akanandaba. The economy was kept in place and enriched. A few house slaves were allowed to sit at the master's table. Now ANC no longer had to grovel. They thought they were high and mighty on Twitter screaming Asna Valor until Jesus came back and they realized they were eating crumbs and so they blamed on white capital monopoly. But when they had 2/3 majority, what was stopping them from fixing economic policies? And what's wrong with me for thinking that the government should be looking out for the majority? Instead, Mr. was more concerned with buying a buffalo. He can't own up to Marikana. He can't own up to Marikana. Now he wants us to put a cross next to his face on the ballot. It's a cacophony of buffaloes and blankets, or wrapped up in a green blanket with no apology. Marikana is still bleeding, leaking like the state entities that public servants are sucking dry. My leaders are more concerned with labels than basics. Sitting expensive houses playing white wishes while they pretend that other blacks are not deserving of schooling, service delivery, and sanitation. In the past, the enemy was a different shade to me, but now my reality is the enemy looks exactly like me.